Welcome to ISL Enabled Virtual Lab of CSIR.
Quiz on Component Manufacturing Process. Question number 1. What is manufacturing? Select the correct answer from the options. 2. Which material is commonly used to make cars? Think and choose the right answer. 3. What is a factory? Think and select the correct answer. 4. Which of the following is an example of a manufactured product? Choose the right answer. 5. What does a robot do in a modern manufacturing? Think and select the correct answer.